In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to eBay. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now in order to connect CJ Dropshipping to eBay, we must have both a CJ Dropshipping account as well as an eBay account. So if you don't have either of those accounts yet, go ahead and do that first. From there, we can go to CJ Dropshipping and we can go up to the top left corner where it says authorization, and we can just look for this option which says eBay. So click on that, and from there, if you haven't yet authorized any stores, you will see this text here. So to actually add our store, we can simply click this button here, and then we wanted to sign into our eBay account. I'm going to do it via Google. From here, we can review and grant application access, and if we're happy, we can agree and continue. From there, the authorization is a success, and we've successfully connected CJ Dropshipping to eBay. We can confirm that by going back to authorization, back down to eBay, and as you can see, our store is now active in the eBay store list. So that's how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.